Nvidia's automotive chips are expected to see explosive growth in 2025. Many major car manufacturers in China plan on fully transitioning to Nvidia's Thor platform by the end of 2025 or early 26. Also, Nvidia and MediaTek are reportedly targeting to launch their AI PC chip in the first half of 2025. Does this mean serious trouble for Qualcomm?
On automotive, let's start there. Obviously, Qualcomm automotive revenue is up a lot, even in the midst of a downturn. Remember, these are two completely different product portfolios, though. Qualcomm's automotive, especially right now, they are working on ramping into advanced driver assist systems in the coming years, but most of the portfolio now deals with vehicle connectivity chips. So very similar application as with a smartphone, hooking up to a mobile network, and then also infotainment chips, the device that would maybe control the digital display in your car. It could be maybe a digital speedometer or tachometer, or it could be the actual infotainment system itself, like a processor for that. And actually, they benefited because Nvidia exited that business in recent years. Nvidia, as you point out, their automotive business is wholly focused now on advanced driver assist and self-driving features, sort of the brains of all the sensors that take in real-world data, and then you have to have some sort of processor that does something with that and governs how the car behaves and responds to the real world data. So the product portfolios in automotive are different from each other. Bear that in mind when comparing Qualcomm and Nvidia. Now on PC, Qualcomm doesn't really have anything to lose. Snapdragon X Elite is brand new. Just initial rollout products just started getting sold in June, July, this past summer. They have very little revenue from PCs, from laptops. Nvidia is also going to be in the same boat if they launch a PC or laptop chip with MediaTek next year that's also ARM-based. And that's why Qualcomm was a little bit conservative in the long-range outlook for their PC business, their new fledgling PC business that they provided at the Investor Day. It's a divide and conquer situation. Both Qualcomm and Nvidia have a lot to gain, but nothing to lose by entering this market because they're not there already in the first place. The companies that have a lot to lose would be Intel and AMD because they get a lot of money from their client computing groups, PC and laptop chips. So this is kind of a similar thing that happened with data center to Intel, especially a few years ago. It was a divide and conquer situation. Something very similar could be shaping up on the consumer side. And Qualcomm and Nvidia in particular seem like they have a lot to gain if they can propel this Windows ARM-based chip business forward.